Hello again and welcome back to Building Better with Building Point America West. My name is Alex Reitzma. Today we're going to be going over how to manage multiple model files within Trimble FieldLink. This is a really powerful tool. Think of it in terms of PDFs, in terms of multiple DWGs, IFCs, Revit files. All of these can be combined as long as they have a coordinate system that aligns with one another. We have other videos if they do not have a common alignment, how to do that. But this video is assuming that you do have the coordinated files, common coordinates, and we're just going to show you how to import multiple models and how to manage the visibility of those. So without further ado, let's jump into FieldLink and take a look. So here we are in Trimble FieldLink. I do have the scan module, which is why I have the scan button, which some of you may not have. That's just an additional module for the Trimble X7 scanner. Don't worry, everything else is the same for the functions that we're showing here. This software that I have up has a couple points imported. I've created a new blank project and I've imported a CSV of my control points. Now, we do have other Building Better videos on how to do that import process. This is just showing you how to import multiple models. Briefly, I'm going to show you what these would look like. I'm going to minimize out of the software. I do want to mention that the two files I'm importing here up top are the underground total station training and the underground total station training, both of the same name, but they have two different file types. I happen to know that the DWG is a 2D file and the IFC is a 3D file of an underground that we want to see both of them at the same time and coordinate and lay out while using them. So we can see that inside FieldLink, we can go to the More icon, Jobs, and then we'll import these two files into the created project. Scrolling down, we can find that it does show the file types of the file we're importing, so we'll just go to one file, select it, and import it. And after each one, it does say it's done. We have the option of going and looking at that imported file, and we see that that is now there. That's my 2D DWG. And so we can see that that's now aligning to the CSV we've imported. And we'll do the same thing. Again, I'll just orbit back and go to a top view. We'll go back to More, Jobs, and Import. And we'll do the same thing with the IFC. Now that we've done that, we'll go back to the More icon at the top and we can go to Map. And orbiting in this view, we can now see that this is a 3D file with our 3D underground that is being installed, which is now visible. To manage the visibility of these two models, we can go to the menu behind the lowercase I at the bottom right. And we can see a model management button that kind of looks like a PDF button at the bottom right there. I should have named these differently, but they do have two different options here to turn them on and off. I would suggest maybe naming them so that you know what each model is. But I can turn them on and off independently, and just so I can view 3D or 2D information. Additionally, some of the other videos get into this, but this is the button where you would then go into how to edit the location of that model if the coordination of it does not align. That would be based off of two common points to get the alignment and rotation correct. And you can have 3, 4, 5, 6 different models imported simultaneously and aligned so that you can be doing layout to the coordination on the site. And that there is how to import and manage multiple model files inside of Trimble FieldLink. For more information, please contact your local Building Point. My name is Alex Reitzma with Building Point America West. And this has been Building Better with Building Point America West. We'll talk to you soon. Thanks. Bye.